welcome. This is our first video in a series. This video is basically the training of the ROG services. Just the training of the ROG services. So in future, if any updates should happen on the platform, I will make a new video to address that update. Basically, the system will have to get a super user. So here I've created a super user. So you first have to log in as a super user. So this is the URL, the normal URL. Then you have to access the admin site. The admin site is different from the dashboard. The admin site is different from the dashboard. To access the admin site, you simply add / then admin. It will take you to the admin site. I've already created one super user in order to access the back end. So I'll be sending you the credentials. But then it's an admin, that is the username and the password. Then you click on login. It logs you into the admin dashboard. Here it gives you the different apps that we have. The system have so many apps, different apps, and each app has its own tables. So here we have the auth, that is the authentication for the users. Firstly, I want you to do the update. This is the super user that we have. This super user, when you click on it, it takes you to the super users page. Here, for the very first time, you click on verification and security. You toggle that is verified, then the email is verified. Then you change the role. Since this user is an admin, you change the role. Then you come and create a corresponding admin profile. So here you connect the created super user. You create a corresponding admin for the user. Then you can add the full name. So in this case, let me use Bernard, my name, as the first super user. Okay. Then all these can be stay. We can make it stay same. Then I click here to save. Okay, now when I visit the site, okay, I've logged in as the admin. So this is same as what we have. The hosted one is similar to this. So this will be the overview of the website. So here we have the website. You can explore our products. You can generate codes. We have the product categories. Now there's no product category. We have the quick picks so that I can easily browse and pick the products. The popular ones, now we don't have any. So as we are adding them from the back end, most of these things will be filling up. We have the branches now. No branch has been added. No service has been added. Okay, no blog, no gallery. But then, since I've logged in as an admin, I have access to the dashboard. So when I click on the dashboard, it takes me to the dashboard. The dashboard, I can hover the theme and change it to light or dark, depending on how or what makes you comfortable. If you like it in the dark, fine. If you like it in the light, that one also is fine. So for the first time, I would want you to go to the admin, okay, the admin site, and create a new super user for yourself. In the meantime, I'll be using these credentials to enter into the system to make maybe an update. But then when we are done, and we hand over the project to you, I'll make sure that I remove myself as supervisor. In that case, I only have access to whatever is happening on the platform. So you, the administrator, you first have to create your own profile. So here you can click on this, it takes you to the home page. We have the OT, that is the authentication. You come the OT, then you create a new user. So here you click on it. The new user could be, let's say, Sam. Then you add your email. Make sure the email is a valid email. Then you change the role to an admin. You can even add a staff status. Then you save. Okay, here I am getting an error. Okay, I should have added password. Then you add your passwords. Okay, then I save. In that case, it says that, let me say this one, user this is the email that I used have been saved. Now the second one is to go and create a corresponding admin profile. So here you create one for the Sam. We have the name as Samuel. I'm using any name, let's say Samuel say, then you can fill in this information and you save. Now Samuel is now a new admin, can have access to all of these things. So when I come to the users, okay, I'll be able to see that Sam. You can manually verify the email. Since you know that you are indeed an existing person, do the verification yourself. Okay. Now, when you visit the site and you log out, initially you log in with the credentials that I will give to you. Now you've created your own supervisor. In that case, you can log me out and log in with the supervisor account that you created. Now, yeah, it logs you in as Sam. Sam is a supervisor. Sam can do everything. So in this case, you've now registered yourself. Because of you having that credentials, you have access to the dashboard. So when you come and refresh the dashboard, you will see that you are indeed logging into the system. Okay, so this will be the end of our first video. The next one we will continue.